The death toll from the severe flooding in Texas has reached at least 69 people as of Sunday, including at least 21 children, as the search for a girl missing from a summer camp enters its third day. Texas Governor Greg Abbott, speaking at a press conference on Sunday afternoon, said the death toll in Kerr County, the epicenter of the flooding, had reached 59 people, while 10 others died elsewhere in Texas and 40 people remain missing. Among the most devastating impacts of the flooding occurred at Camp Mystic, a nearly century-old Christian girls' summer camp, where 11 girls and 1 counselor are still missing. It's heartbreaking to see what those young children went through, said Abbott, who said that he visited the area on Saturday and pledged to continue efforts to locate the missing. The flooding occurred after the nearby Guadalupe River overflowed, following heavy rainfall in central Texas on Friday, the U.S. Independence Day holiday. Authorities in the Texas Hill Country had previously stated that 21 children died in the flooding. Among the most devastating impacts of the flooding occurred at Camp Mystic, a nearly century-old Christian girls' camp, where 10 Camp Mystic participants and 1 counselor are still missing, according to Reuters.